Alright folks, just a quick unboxing video. Bought this from this company here, and it's called a Roadhog Vision, which is a dash cam. I did plan to use my tripod for this, but it broke the last time I used it and I glued it, and it just broke again. So I'll try it one-handed. Hey, another bloody box. Yay. Try again. It's one of the non-screen type, so there's no screen to watch it while it's recording, which makes no difference to me because you can watch it back on your phone. Even if you look right down here, it says HDR, and it must upscale it. From 1080p. So let's see if I can get this out of the box one-handed. Oh, it's coming. Come on. Oh god, that's tiny. That's ideal. I didn't want a big bulky thing in my windscreen, especially if I've got it on this. Not much glass in this. Shallow side windows. But I love it. This doesn't want to play ball. Oh, I see why it's not coming out now. See if it ends up one of these videos where I destroy it before I get to use it. Nah, it's all good. Is everything always the wrong way around? So that's about 4 inches long, 1.5 inches wide maybe. Using your connections and other crap. So I'm sure I'll start using this at one point pretty soon. Right, take it easy folks. Cheers for checking it out.